Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Woody preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. First, go to Light and adjust the exposure to 0.08. Reduce the contrast to -18. Highlights to -26. Adjust shadows to 26. Whites for 25 and blacks to -62. Then slightly adjust the white curve like this. Now go to color. OK, now adjust the temperature to 11. Vibrance -21. Finally, saturation to -27. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, decrease the saturation to -26. Increase the luminance to 21. Orange, decrease the hue by -6, increase the saturation to 18. Increase the luminance to 20. Yellow, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -45. Increase the luminance to 15. Green, decrease the hue by -60. Decrease the saturation to -47. Decrease the luminance to -27. Cyan, decrease the hue by -57. Decrease the saturation to -27. Decrease the luminance to -16. Blue, decrease the hue by -41. Decrease the saturation to -30. Decrease the luminance to -30. Go to Effects. Now adjust the texture to 30. Clarity 26. Vignette -22. Midpoint 41. Feather 77. And finally highlights 20. And then go to split tone and adjust the highlights by making H to S ratio 34:7. Adjust the shadows by making H to S ratio 176:4. Reduce the balance to -27. Now let's adjust the details. Change the sharpening to 30. Masking 18. Noise reduction 7. And color noise reduction 16. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.